There's a social commerce revolution going on, and Solevay is leading the way. We're making commerce less expensive and even profitable by giving people a great opportunity to earn extra income on the products and services they use every day. So how are we doing it? Instead of spending millions of dollars on billboards and TV commercials, Solevay spends this money on the most powerful advertising force on the planet, you. We think that your personal recommendation is the most effective advertising out there, so we pay our members to spread the word. That means that with Solevay, you can earn money for something you're already doing, telling your friends and family about the things you value. That's why we started with mobile service, because it's something everyone is already paying for. In the US alone, over 300 million people have cell phones, and it can be expensive. Over 46% of Americans pay over $100 a month for their phone bill. Just like you, your friends and family are probably looking for great mobile service at a great price, like Solevay Unlimited voice, text, and data on a nationwide 4G network for only $49 a month with no contract. So here's how you can earn by sharing Solevay. If you share Solevay with just 3 people and they join, Solevay pays you $20 a month. If you enroll 6 people, you earn $40 a month. Enroll 9 people, and now you're earning enough to cover the cost of your monthly service, plus a little extra. And it doesn't stop there. When those people enroll their friends for Solevay mobile service, they earn income too, and so do you. This is the power of relationships at work. Everybody wins. And we're here to help you along the way by giving you the tools you need to tell others about Solevay. We created the My Solevay website and mobile app to help you easily share Solevay with your family and friends through your favorite social networks. It's that simple. You get great mobile service at a great price, plus an opportunity to earn additional income. Maybe it's enough money each month to pay your phone bill, or even enough to pay your mortgage. How far you take it is up to you. So what are you waiting for? Sign up with Solevay today and see what it means to be part of the social commerce revolution.